If I were a man, they would have paid attention to me. If I was my father, if I was my brothers, if I was anyone with a goddamn dick, someone would have paid attention to me. I mean, why'd you have to turn out to be so fucking innocent?
LAPD, officer. Everything's okay. We got this under control.
Severance, what the fuck is going on? You're supposed to be our protection out here.
LAPD, it's under control here. Son of a bitch.
We're doing everything we can, Lieutenant.
Yeah.
We can't block traffic in every...
Yeah, I hear you.
You've got to give me specifics. Highway numbers, blocking points, we can only...
Listen to me, you cunt.
There are only so many roads, and we've got only so many cars, Lieutenant.
I don't care how many roads there are. I want them blocked.
We've only got so many resources.
I don't give a shit. Santee's got a head start in a car that'll do 170 miles an hour. Clear.
Sheriff. Santee gunned down Agnew. Took him out, cold blood.
Jesus Christ. Go on, check inside.
There's just one place he'll go. The desert, Joshua Tree.
Joshua Tree.
If Santee gets into the backcountry, he can come out anywhere, you know. Mexico, Nevada. Block the roads to the desert, because that's where he'll go.
You know a lot about Santee, don't you?
He used to talk to me.
You've been banging him since day one.
Frank. The girl. Get the girl, too.
Radio. Listen, I need a chopper. Shit, we need the whole goddamn Air Force.
How do you get into this?
Take your hat off.
Ah, fuck you.
Santee fucked your wife Esther.
Many times, Rudy, many times.
There's just something wrong about that.
Lou Lipsky said a friend is somebody who doesn't fuck your wife.
That lets Santee out right there.
I never said Santee was a friend. I said he was like a son to me.
That makes it worse, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. Much worse.
I guess they're printing a picture for the post office now. Should have gotten off the bus when he could.
You still don't get it, do you?
Get what?
No!
Nothing. Do we just keep driving, or do you have anything resembling a plan?
Yeah, we're gonna get away.
Oh. Well, would it be too much to ask how?
It's a big desert, and they got nothing that can keep up with us.
You know, it's funny. They kind of look like people, don't they?
You mean the Joshua trees?
Yeah.
The Mormon settlers thought they looked like the prophet Joshua. That's how they got their name.
Just so you all know, this is no longer a hostage situation. So hostage procedures no longer apply.
A warrant was issued 40 minutes ago for the arrest of Deputy Marek. She is to be considered not as an abductee, but as an accomplice. She has the same training as all of you. She may be as dangerous, if not more dangerous, than Santee himself. Sheriff Cepeda.
On a personal note here, just 12 hours ago, he put a bullet into the head of a Mojave County sheriff named Michael Agnos, that some of you may have known. He's probably hiding in Joshua Tree now. That's his home. So be careful.
All right. Let's move out.
You know, for a cop, you're not bad looking. Thanks.
For what?
Sticking around. Quick, get in the car. Sure you want to be part of this?
Uh-huh.
Spotted him on the front of the road at mile 360. Looks like he's heading for the old railroad station. Severance.
Go ahead.
We found Santee, sir. He's heading for the mountain.
Frank, how come you and Esther never had kids?
I told you. Santee, he's like my kid. He was 16, for Christ's sake, when I arrested him.
The poor bastard. Imagine having you for a father.
Fuck you, Rudy.
Unit 211, motorists need
overheated car, Highway 10, exit 122.
You guys are looking hard enough. Seen anything?
No, sir.
Checkpoint at Johnson Valley on 247. Investigate abandoned vehicle.
Jesus, Mary.
1 mile.
Okay, now, steady. Hold your fire. Easy. Stay, Rick. Just... Hold it! I said stay here! Stay here! Hold your position! It's just coming back this way!
When we get there, you go in first.
Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Fuck you.
We're on the mountain behind you, 3 or 4 minutes back.
Here, light this for me. What are you, fucking crazy? What, do you want me to be nervous?
Down.
Come on, Rita. Come on. Stay down and you'll live.
Severance, this is Cepeda. We're behind you. Are you still on the road? Severance, what is your position?